Hello, teacher. My name is Joseph López, and today I talk about the components of a lesson plan. Okay, the introduction. I will be going to talking about the importance of a good lesson plan. I will design it, plan not only organize the content to be taught, but also set the objectives we want to achieve, ensuring that all students have the opportunity to learn effectively. Okay, and the objectives. The learning objectives are the heart of any lesson plan. These objectives should be clear and specific, stating what the student should know or be able to do by the end of the lesson. For example, an objective might be for students to analyze the cause of, for example, a French Revolution or the American Revolution, okay? These objectives guide both classroom activities and assessments. The materials needed. Okay. And preparing the necessary materials and resource is very crucial to the success of a lesson. This can include books, articles, and digital tools, and more. Okay. And having everything ready in advance ensures that class time is used efficiently and that students have access to research needed for their learning. Okay. Okay, the procedures. So the procedures. Okay. The procedure is a detailed outline of how the lesson will unfold. It begins with an introduction that captures the student's attention, follows with the development of content through explanation and activities, and ends with a closing with a summaries what was learning and reinforce the key points or questions that the students have. Okay. Fast. Okay. Assessment. Um, the assessment is essential to measure the student process. It can be in form of quiz, projects, or discussions between students or by the class. The feedback obtained from these assessments not only helps students improve, but also provides valuable information to adjust future lessons. As we can see in the screen, the purpose is to measure the degree of a student's understanding and mastery of the material. Okay, and there are examples. Okay, the next is differentiation and adaptations. It's important, sorry, to remember that each student is unique. And so differentiation and adaptations in instruction are crucial. This might include the adjusting the pace of the lesson or providing it in different formats to meet diverse learning needs. Okay. Um, the next is the reflection and improvement. Okay. Finally, reflecting on the effectiveness of the lesson is key to ongoing professional development. And ask yourself what worked well and what can be improved. The student feedback is also invaluable in this process. For example, the key questions were the learning objectives met, or what strategies worked well, what could be improved. Okay. Okay. As a conclusion, in summary, the components of a well-structured lesson plan are essential to effective teaching. By implementing these elements and tailoring lessons to the needs of the students, we can facilitate enriching and successful learning experience. As we can see, the every student is unique, and for this reason, the we as the next or professors or teachers, we should find and search what is the better form to teach the topic, and for example the grammar, in this case for this language, and the form the students can speak with our, or for example that the students minimus can read the essays of books. Okay, that's all from. Thank you, teacher.